Hello and welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we are going to make a paper sword. Make sure to watch all the way to the end to see if I show the artwork that you have sent in on today's episode. So we're going to take a square piece of white paper, but you can choose grey or silver or gold or bronze, whatever colour you would like your sword to be. And we're going to fold it in half from corner to corner to make a triangle shape. And then we're going to spin it around and do it again on the opposite side to make nice straight creases. Then we're going to take one corner and fold it into the centre, like so. I'm going to spin it around and do the same again on the opposite side. Then we're going to take the base of that and fold it into the middle like so, straightening those edges. And do the same again on the other side. Just copy what we do. Then we're going to choose one end and we're going to make that end a little bit sharper. So we're going to fold in the sides just gently like so. Do the same on the other side. Making sure it's nice and pointed and straight. And now we're going to make the sword a little bit thinner. So we're going to fold in the sides, like so. Do you see what we're doing there? Nice and straight. I'm going to do the same thing again on the other side. Just making the blade a little bit thinner. Folding it in, nice and smooth. Like so. And there you have it, your blade. And now we're going to make the handle. So we've chosen brown, but you can use any colours that you like. You can use bronze or black or grey or even something even more fancy like purple. I'm going to fold it in half. And then fold it in half again from the bottom, and then fold it in half again from the top. So the two ends meet in the middle. And I'm going to twist it round and fold in half, like so. And I'm going to fold down the top again. Don't forget, you can pause, rewind and re-watch as many times as you need. Now we're going to fold here. And fold here, just the same on the other side. I'm going to fold that bit down there, smooth down the edges. And then we're going to fold that bit over. And we'll fold here, like so. Just follow what we do. Smooth down those edges. Do the same again on the other side. And then we're going to just fold this little bit here like so. Do you see what we did there? We're going to do the same again on the other side. Very gently. Making sure it folds just right. Now we're going to glue this bit down here so it stays in the right position using our trusty glue stick. Now I'm going to turn it over and fold that bit there, smooth down the edges, fold up the corner there. That looks cool. Do the same again on the other side, fold up that corner. Now we're going to flip it back over again. And we're going to decorate our handle with some white spots. You can use any colours that you like. You can have the spots match your blade, or they can be a completely different colour. Now we're going to glue down here, just getting that fold to stay together. And now all we need to do is just slip the blade into that slot there. And there you have it, your very own paper sword. Amazing! I can't wait to see what you guys can create. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Jack, and Jack has drawn us a helicopter. It's purple with yellow propellers and bright blue clouds in the sky. It looks absolutely awesome. I can't wait to ride in this helicopter, Jack. Very well done. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!